Hello and welcome to my project. This is a DIY centerpiece. So first we'll need our flowers. Mine are from Walmart. I think that they're really good quality and they're nice and full. And then you'll need other flowers and leaves and pumpkins if you wish. And then you'll need this foam, floral foam, and wire cutters and a bucket. These all can be purchased from the dollar store or Walmart. So now we're going to cut off all the flowers with the wire cutters. You can use scissors, but the wire cutters make the job really easy. And then we're going to add the foam to the bucket. It just holds everything in place. Then I'm going to start assembling my bouquet with all the flowers first. You could do any order you want, wish, of course, but I started the flowers. It doesn't have to be exact, any color, but as you're adding the flowers, you just want to rotate your bucket in a circle and then just make everything nice and full. And now I'm filling even more spaces with flowers and leaves and pumpkins. I'm not leaving any gaps anywhere. This is all a random order. I'm just trying to make everything even. I just wanted like a nice pop of color, and then all of these fall colors, they just go together. This is easy and fast to create. Took me a couple hours, not that long. I also didn't glue anything down because then you could reuse the bucket and you could change out the flowers. You could either reuse your foam, floral foam cube, or you could purchase another one, just add different flowers. So now we're all done. I hope you enjoyed my little DIY project. And now we're ready for fall. Thanks for watching. Bye.